Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to make neon text animation in Blender. Let's start. First delete this. Now press N. Now click here neon text. See here's some of neon text pattern. Okay, now I click this one. I change the color here. Nothing happened. Because we have to change the background. Let's see how. Now here world property change the background color to black. And now click here, render properties. Now check to enable ambient, occlusion and bloom. Now I apply this neon text pattern. Here in this color Patel you can change the color. Here you increase the strength. And here you increase the blend. Okay, I choose another one. Okay, but here I can't get actual font style, because this font style not installed in my PC. Okay, this is not a main problem, you can change the font style here. I choose this one. See now it's look more better. And here you can also extrude the text. Wow, great, more awesome. Okay, now I choose next one. Let's see how to change the default text. First select this text. Go to edit mode. Now add your text here. I extrude this text. And here you can change the material. Okay, I try next one. I delete this. Oh, sorry, I am on edit mode. Go to object mode. Okay, now delete this. Okay. Okay. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share the video. I see you on another useful video. Thanks for watching. Bye.